the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up. It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and be no friend to me.
Hey my lovely friends, welcome to Walking Tour Hani. I'm so happy to have you with me today. Here, we walk through beautiful places together, no extra words, no rush. Just the sound of our footsteps, the streets we wander, and the calm hidden in every second. Dear friends, I'd really appreciate it if you could support my channel by subscribing. Your support means the world to me. Today we're taking a relaxing walk through Vakil Bazaar, one of the most beautiful and historic bazaars in Iran, and wandering the streets around it. It's a peaceful walk, full of old textures, vibrant colors, ambient sounds, and a true sense of everyday life in the heart of Shiraz. If you're looking for a feel-good vibe and a calming video to escape the noise of the world for a few minutes, you're in the right place. This is a real walking tour, right in the heart of Iran. If you love no-talking walking videos, natural sounds, traditional alleys, or exploring new cultures, this video is made for you. Please give it a like, leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to join and walk along with me on this journey. Dear friends, I'd really appreciate it if you could support my channel by subscribing. Your support helps me keep going. Thank you so much for being with me today. I hope this video brought you a few peaceful moments. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share it with your friends, because every journey is better when we take it together. Until the next video, take care of yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a kind comment.
بابا
من میرم سرش میشه خب